Greetings of the day. This is Seema, your Alga 6 teacher of 2nd standard from Bal Bharti Vidyapit, Gohana. Let's start our Alga 6 class with Unit 2, Monuments of India. In our previous class, we had discussed about our second component, that is whole words. In this class, we are going to start our third component, that is reading and listening comprehension. In this class, we will read a story, Raj Visit to the Golden Temple. After reading the story, we will find the main idea of the story. To find the main idea of a story is an important skill because it helps us to better understand what we are reading. Now, firstly, I want to tell you about how to find the main idea. The main idea is what the story is mostly about. Means कि story ज़्यादातर किसके बारे में है. There are 2 steps to find the main idea of the story. First step, look at the title of the story. Firstly, we have to look at the title of the story. Means what is the title of the story? We have to remember it. Second step, look at the clue words. Clue words means important words that are repeated. जो बार बार रिपीट किए जा रहे हैं वो वर्ड्स इन द स्टोरी. हमें बार बार जो रिपीट हो रही हैं वर्ड्स उनको ध्यान में रखना है, उन्हें याद रखना है. लेट्स रीड द स्टोरी राज विजिट टू द गोल्डन टेम्पल. दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट स्टोरी ऑफ यूनिट 2. Let's get started. Raj could not keep his greenish blue eyes open. राज अपनी हरी नीली आंखों को खुली नहीं रख पा रहा था. His long nose had become cold. उसकी लंबी नाक ठंडी हो गई थी. Means उसे जुखाम हो गया था. His brown hair uncombed. उसके भूरे बाल बिना कंघी के थे. मीन्स कंघी नहीं हो रखी थी. He wanted a warm blanket so he could go back to sleep. वह एक गर्म कंबल चाहता था ताकि वह वापस सोने के लिए जा सके. He was grumpy. Grumpy means bad mood. वह क्रोधित था, गुस्से में था. He had been made to wake up at 5 in the morning. वह सुबह 5 बजे जगा दिया गया था. उसे सुबह 5 बजे उठना पड़ा था, इसलिए वो कैसा था? गुस्से में था. अब आप लोगों को भी अगर कोई सुबह 5 बजे उठाए तो गुस्सा आता है ना? ऐसे ही राज भी बहुत गुस्से में था. He was grumpy. Next, Raj and his family were all going to अमृतसर. राज और उसकी फैमिली सभी अमृतसर जा रहे थे. They were going to visit the Golden Temple. वे गोल्डन टेम्पल देखने जा रहे थे. They reached the Golden Temple. वे गोल्डन टेम्पल पहुंच गए. The gleaming walkway made Raj jump with glee. चमकदार रास्ते ने राज को उछलने, जंप करने पर मजबूर कर दिया, खुशी से झूमने पर मजबूर कर दिया. The walkway around the सरोवर is called the परिक्रमा. सरोवर के चारों ओर के रास्ते को परिक्रमा कहते हैं. The water in the सरोवर looked cool. जो सरोवर का पानी था वो ठंडा दिखाई दे रहा था. राज वॉज नाउ फुली अवेक एंड एक्साइटेड. अब राज पूरी तरह से जाग गया था और एक्साइटेड था, उत्साहित था. द मेन टेम्पल इज इन द सेंटर ऑफ द सरोवर. जो मेन टेम्पल था, जो मुख्य मंदिर था, वो सरोवर के बीच में था. इट्स गोल्डन डोम ग्लीम्ड इन द सनलाइट. इसका सुनहरा गुंबद सूर्य की रोशनी में चमक रहा था. डोम मीन्स राउंड रूफ. आप पिक्चर में देख पा रहे हैं जो गोल्डन टेम्पल की जो ये राउंड रूफ है इसे डोम गुंबद कहते हैं। नेक्स्ट, इन द टेम्पल दे ऑल हैड लंगर टुगेदर। टेम्पल में उन्होंने सबने एक साथ लंगर खाया। लंगर इज अ सिंपल मीन सर्व टू एवरीवन हु विजिट्स। लंगर एक साधारण खाना होता है जो उन सभी लोगों के लिए होता है जो वहाँ पर आते हैं। राज एंजॉयड हिज ट्रिप। राज ने अपने ट्रिप को बहुत एंजॉय किया। आई होप यू लाइक द स्टोरी। लेट्स फाइंड द मेन आइडिया ऑफ द स्टोरी बाय फॉलोइंग दीज 2 steps. Step number 1. Look at the title of the story. Have you remember what is the title of the story? Yes, the title of the story is Raj Visit to the Golden Temple. Step number 2. Look at the clue words. Clue words means important words that are repeated in the story. While reading, we have read some sentences that tell us about the main idea of the story. They reached the Golden Temple. The gleaming walkway made family Raj jump with glee. We have read these sentences in the story now. These sentences tell us the clue words. These are Raj, Golden Temple and enjoyed. So now let's write the main idea of the story. What is the main idea of the story? Have you understood? Let's try to write. राज अपनी फैमिली के साथ गोल्डन टेम्पल देखने गया और उसने वहाँ पर बहुत एंजॉय किया। Let's write. Raj enjoyed his trip to the Golden Temple with his family. Now let's write some details also. Detail number 1. Raj and his family were going to visit the Golden Temple. Detail number 2. Raj was fully awake and excited. And detail number 3. Raj enjoyed his trip. Now let's see the answer also. This is our answer, beta. So check your answer. Main idea. Raj enjoyed his trip to the Golden Temple. Detail number 1. Raj and his family were going to visit to the Golden Temple. Detail number 2. Raj was fully awake and excited. Detail number 3. Raj enjoyed his trip. Now let's read some vocabulary words from the story. Vocabulary words. First word is grumpy. Means bad mood. Means kharab mood. Grumpy means kharab mood. Next is gleam. Gleam means shine. चमकदार, चमकता हुआ. Next is dome. Dome means arch, round roof, means gumbad. Next, walkway. Walkway means a path for walking along, means साथ में चलने का एक रास्ता. These are the vocabulary words of the story. Now I hope you enjoyed the class. That is all for today. We shall meet soon again to learn something new and have lots of fun. So bye everyone. Happy learning.